Welcome, peeps. So, part 2 of the L200 Mitsubishi. Who remembers what we did at the part 1? I don't think you will. No, but basically in the part 1, I showed you how an upgraded door speaker side should look like this. And now we are going to create the driver's side together. I'll show you how I've done it on that side, what I'm doing and whatnot. So basically a really good advantage that these speakers, most of ones come, this is the tweeter crossover and this is the bass crossover-ish thing. And because these are separate, because sometimes your tweeter might be there or might be here. In my case, it's easy. I'm gonna go there, attach both of these to that one cable. I'm not gonna be using this tweeter source anymore. But if your tweeters are there, then you've got to run extra cables. If you've got one crossover set complete. So these speakers are amazing for this separate crossover function. And then if you think that your tweeters are too bright, like up in there, we will find that one out before. You can cut that, and that does -3 decibel. That brings the tweetness a bit lower than what it is at the moment. Now with 0 dB, when you cut that, it's going to be -3 dB. That brings the volume down. So basically, I'm going to set you up, and I'll basically slowly go over, explain to you what the hell is going on, what's going on, what's not, and let's install these door speakers. I'm going to chuck the head in it in, install the 4-channel amp, and then basically we can finish off this speaker mystery. And right, and so first of all, well, you're going to need solder iron and stuff like that, but it's up to you how you're doing it, but this is how I'm going to be doing it. So first of all, just attach this cable up in here for the tweeter to be plugged in. Cable tie this thing together all the way down to here, and then we'll chop it off. So the tweeter bit is done. Now you've got to put your finger in there, and there's a hole that goes through. So now we can push this thing out, the cable, from inside, put this crossover in there, and now we can have it all the way up in there and measure the cable, cut it off like so. And basically now we're ready to skin this cable, solder with new wires to the existing wiring harness, tape it all up, walk it away, and basically Bob's your uncle, really. So right, I'm gonna get down to business. I'm gonna start soldering, scraping, taping the wires, soldering, and basically making the connections. So, and that's how your cables are in. Everything's wired up, ready to receive the speaker. Apart from, I still need to install this ring. So, like I said before, align it and make sure you're drilling where there is no blow through holes, and you should be good to go. So enjoy the show again, peeps. And voila, this is basically how you install an aftermarket tweeters speakers into a door. So yeah, that's it. That's what it all looks like. All the cables away, everything took in nicely, everything's all good. So I was saying before that we will be installing a 4-channel amp. And here it is. It's a Vibe Micro 6.54, 65.4, 6.5 fucking 0.4. Oh my god. Honestly, I come up with some crap something. So, that's a plug and play amplifier. Basically, that's what it looks when it comes in a box. If you've got an aftermarket head in it, like what we have right now, you can just buy one of these amps and straight away make it basically plug and play, and happy days. My fat finger hit the button. Oh, nearly. So this is basically straight away sort of plug and play for all this stuff. I'll get you out. Come on for now. So the only question is where to install it. You need to find a place where you're gonna store it, install it, and stuff like that. So I have looked before, and there's this, I don't know what the hell it used to be here, but there's this compartment which I believe is gonna be perfect for this amp. See? Perfect. Kind of perfect, but we need to get it sort of, maybe it's not going to be perfect in here, but we'll see how things go, because all this wiring and everything, you just need to find a way where to install it, where to stick it in, and stuff like that. I think this will actually go in there. Yeah. Well, let me double check. 2 seconds. Yeah, peeps, it will fit in there like that, and then you can put this little tray back in. I don't know what the hell is it for, but basically that will just go in. But don't stuff it in just straight away. Make sure that you run the cables and all that, run the wiring first. Whew, that took a bit to get it out. So basically I'm gonna install this cable power wire and show you how this all business looks in real life. So I've just plugged the head unit in and everything, so basically that's what it all looks. Plug and play, send it all down. Obviously this is not completely completed yet, but basically here you set your amp. Once you're happy with all the settings, you just basically stuff it all the way in there and you forget about it, and until later when it breaks or you want to replace it, or you sell the vehicle. But yeah, this stuff is good. This head unit is called DMX7722 DABS, if anybody wonders. But pretty damn good thing. Sounds decent and nice and clear. Dubstep in the house. Sorry, I'm not listening to classic music, but this one I can get for free. Fuck yeah.
To defrost. Pipe!
What? Why?
Shut up!
Oh my gosh, wait! What? Did my inner soles turn up? The gel ones?
I don't care about
So you don't know if they turned up?
Fuck off, you stupid advert. Honestly, man, I'm sick of this stiff. Fuck off. There we go. That's the CarPlay. Right, man, let's shut the hell this thing up, right? So basically this is the amplifier installation complete. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, I'm trying to open the wrong thing. So basically now once I'm happy, you just stuff it all in there. I'm gonna need to. I need to. Something was in there. I need to put this all away. So nothing's touching nothing. And basically, see, you all tape it all up properly and everything, and then put it all away. But basically now, I'm gonna go take this all apart again, because I need to take the cage off, pop the cage up. Well, the cage just the side the panels. So I'm gonna put this quickly on a time lapse. I'm gonna dive in there, do some magic, align all the head unit up and everything. I'm still leaving the 4-channel out because we've still got one more thing to do, which is the underseat subwoofer install. So, but that's going to be in the part 3 now, unfortunately. So, but basically, actually, yeah, I'm gonna go. Let's go now. Sort all the head units, sort all the bits and bobs, the rest of the things, and see where we are by then.
Got a monster inside of me, you better watch out. If you ignite me's a road ahead of full prophecy, to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the sword, never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more, freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness, torn apart quick. You left scars ripped, you'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. Adrenaline pressure, it's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious, an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness, I can honest believe. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key controlled by fight or flight. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
Righty, that's dog as in, yeah, I fucked up. I forgot to connect the I forgot to connect the ends, man. I was like, no, but yeah, everything works, everything opens. Yeah, lovely. I've sorted all the cables for the head unit. The GPS and thingy is what is sitting just up in there. Didn't have to run no cables. Mic of the Sony is exactly the same as from the Kenwood, so I didn't have to go there. It's kind of a win-win situation in a sense. Oh my god. But we tidied up the cables. I've replaced that long ass cable for the remote rear view camera. I've installed a shorter meter length one, which is wide, but it's basically RCA cutting how, but it doesn't matter. That was going back in. Everything that he had in before is all going back in. So, well, you just heard what it sounds like. Sounds nice and lovely, crisp and clear. So basically now it is only the this is what the speakers basically look like in the tweeters that are took out of the doors, little tiny tweeters, the brackets, and Mitsubishi photo speaker. That is all for the bin. Need to put this on charge. But basically there's only sort of two things left to do. It is the installing this underseat sub, and basically I'm gonna be checking the reverse camera, but I'm not gonna be recording nothing unless I actually find something bad with it. But basically we'll be installing this underseat sub. It's like this was the whole freaking run of the cable for the reverse man. It's like, what the hell? And obviously, yeah, I pressed the fucking button again. I want to smash my head in. But basically, everything's been installed, what needs to be done today. Now, like I said, there's only subwoofer left to do so, but you know the crack peeps, really. So all I've got left to say is now is thanks a lot for watching. Like and share, subscribe, hit the bell button if you want to see more adventures of J-Star. And basically, I'll see you in a part 3. Bye bye.